Today on the Roadhouse, I'm working on the shop. Got a lot of stuff done, stuff that you guys can do yourselves, and let's get it started. Okay, I got probably 3 lights hooked up now. I just don't have the bulbs for the other 2. So it seems like it's warming the shop up a little bit. I'll have to see after a few minutes. It's getting dark outside, so the temperature's dropping anyway. So I won't be able to tell tonight, but I got probably 3 lights wired. I've had both these lights on now for about 20 minutes or so, and it looks to have raised the temperature about 2 or 3 degrees. Nothing like what I was expecting. I'm hoping that I can run gas for a while and that these will keep it warm, sustain it. Maybe it'll be a lot warmer than I thought. I mean, these stadium lights are not made for just an area this small. So it should heat it up. What else am I doing on the shop? Pallet wood. I know it's a mess, so forgive me. But this whole wall, finishing the rest of that. This whole wall is going to be done. And the back wall is all going to be done in pallet wood. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do on the side walls. I like to use pallet wood with insulation behind it, but I don't know yet, so I don't want to lie to you. It's been about 10 minutes or so, maybe a little bit less, and it is up about 3 degrees or so. So it looks like it's raised the temperature in here about 9 degrees. It's still 32 degrees outside, and it is like 39 degrees in here. A little bit warmer. That's only 2 lights. I'll do it with a 3rd light this afternoon. Okay, it's 34 degrees outside, and I put the 3rd light in, and it's already raised up about a half a degree, but it's right above me. So it should probably warm up a few degrees here for sure. This is some dusk till dawn lighting that I'm going to have running with my metal light bulb here. I think it'll give it a cool look. Hoping everybody has a better New Year this year than last. From Roadhouse. All right. I burned all of this and then here and everything. And then I stained it in the middle there. This stain and polyurethane Konya. But it is not. It is like purple. So I don't know what I'm going to end up doing with that. If it comes out purple, I might paint this, the color in the middle. We'll see how it works. But so far, I'm really liking that torched look. But all of the pallets are done on the front wall. I bought the insulation, foam insulation for the back wall, and I have not nearly enough pallets. So I'm going to start up high and then come down low. See how far I get. Nice. Header. Roadhouse logo right there. Zoom. Okay. Yesterday I was worried that this would not turn out okay. This little section that I stained. It turned out really good. Even in the same color as the burned wood, the torched wood. So I'm definitely putting more on. It did not go very far. That little quart did just these 3 sections, not the 4th. And I still got more to do. So, but it did come out really nice. Came out with a slick, like a slick texture, so it waterproofed this, which I really like because you might be able to see outdoor right up in there in the joint. Sometimes water gets in here because I need to get a cover for the sliding rail outside. But it looks fabulous, freaking awesome to go along with the pallet wood. I'm going to go ahead and torch that 2x4 over there. And the bottom rail as well. Tomorrow we're going to get a lot done in the shop. I'm going to do the insides over here after I get my stain on over here. When I get my stain on over here. Got my dad out here helping me today. I don't know what "oh dear" meant. Okay, Roadhouse is getting gravel today. Our driveway has been terrible. So let's get this thing started. Instant driveway.
That's so cool. That's so cool.
That's good to go. Timber. Shop dog number 2 is being a little bit of a pain. Yep. I hope with 16 or 17 tons.
That's 17 tons of
Yep.
Hey, all you want to car this go.
Stay back, Timber. You're going to get buried in gravel. He did say whip, didn't he? And anything left, we'll run back down the driveway. There it is, about half finished. Haven't got that bottom board there. Haven't got that bottom section stained yet, but there it is. And in the back, got the top portion insulated. I'm going to go ahead and start palleting that later this week. And I also, what do y'all think about the orange on the fan, the industrial fan? I don't know if I like it or not. Maybe I should go with more of a silver gunmetal type color to match basically the front wall as well. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for your comments, likes, and go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell down there so you get notifications when I'm doing something. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. Okay, temperature outside says it's 50 degrees. I go inside the shop. Sorry, it's a mess. Let's see what the temperature says it is. And I don't even know if this thing works or not, but well, here it shows that it's 49. So I'll probably delete this.